Now we have done the machinery and the enzymes, the extra questions which were left yesterday from replication. What is the difference between transcription and replication? Then why both the strands are not copied during transcription? This is an important question. And the next topic is transcription unit. Transcription unit consists of three regions: a promoter, a structural gene, and a terminator. Let us see. These are the, now we have seen why both the strands, they cannot be copied or they cannot be transcribed during transcription. It means not two but one strand will be transcribed. Now the DNA, there are two strands which run in anti-parallel direction. One is in direction 3 dash to 5 dash and another is 5 dash to 3 dash. These are the two strands of DNA. Which of these two strands will be transcribed? The answer is, that is the enzyme which is required for transcription. कौन सा एंजाइम है वो? डीएनए डिपेंडेंट RNA polymerase. DNA dependent RNA polymerase is the enzyme which catalyze the process of transcription. This enzyme, it can catalyze the process of transcription only in which direction? It can catalyze only in 5 dash to 3 dash. The enzyme DNA dependent RNA polymerase can catalyze the process of transcription only in which direction? 5 dash to 3 dash. यानी कौन सा स्ट्रैंड ट्रांसक्राइब होएगा डीएनए का जिसकी पोलैरिटी क्या है? 3 dash to 5 dash. The DNA strand with polarity 3 dash to 5 dash will be transcribed because the DNA dependent RNA polymerase enzyme can catalyze the process of transcription only in which direction? 5 dash to 3 dash, and this strand is called template strand. The other strand of DNA with polarity 5 dash to 3 dash is called coding strand. This can be misleading. नाम इसका है कोडिंग स्ट्रैंड, लेकिन ट्रांसक्राइब कौन सा होगा? ये वाला 3 dash to 5 dash, दैट इज द टेम्पलेट स्ट्रैंड. लेकिन हम जितनी भी ये ट्रांसक्रिप्शन यूनिट में हम जितनी भी इसमें रेफरेंसेस देते हैं, दे आर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द कोडिंग स्ट्रैंड. ऑल द रेफरेंस पॉइंट्स while defining the transcription unit, they are made with coding strand. For example, at the 5 dash end of coding strand, there is a promoter, and at the 3 dash end of the coding strand, there is present terminator. And this terminator defines the end of transcription. Promoter defines the initiation or the beginning of transcription. Let us revise. हमने क्या किया कि what is the purpose served by deoxyribonucleoside triphosphates? Now, how can we say that DNA polymerase enzyme is highly efficient? By taking the example of Escherichia coli. What is the difference between transcription and replication? Why both the strands are not copied during transcription? DNA के दोनों strand क्यों नहीं कॉपी होते हैं mRNA में? And what is transcription unit? Transcription unit, it consists of a promoter, a structural जीन एंड अ टर्मिनेटर. ये दो स्ट्रैंड्स हैं डीएनए के, इनमें से कौन सा ट्रांसक्राइब होगा? विद पोलैरिटी 3 dash to 5 dash. इट इज़ कॉल्ड टेम्पलेट स्ट्रैंड. क्यों? क्योंकि वो एंजाइम जो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, दैट इज़ डीएनए डिपेंडेंट आरएनए पॉलीमरेज, इट कैन catalyze the polymerization only in one direction, that is 5' to 3', and the other strand is called coding strand, and all the references in the transcription are made with respect to the coding strand.